Open the Play Store. Now click on search bar and search for weverse Video Downloader. Now click on App and install it. Wait for installation. If it's work, please subscribe me channel. Here we go. Click on Enabling and open it. Now allow all the permissions. Now go to weverse. Now go for live which one you want to savvy. So I want to save this live of June. Click on the share button. Who want link of this live? Avoid the English pronunciation. Click on Chrome. Turn on your permission. Copy the link by clicking on the square box on the top. Let's go back to our weverse Video Downloader. Paste the copied link here. Click on Search. Wait until you receive this notification. Click on Download. Analyzing, please wait. Here select Video Quality and click on Download. It's done. Click on Download. Click on Video, then Save icon to save in Gallery. Let's check in Gallery. It's done. Hope so you like it. Thanks. Don't forget to follow me.